Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial: how to insert a PDF into OneNote in 2025. Whether you're a student compiling research, a professional organizing notes, or just someone who loves digital efficiency, this feature is a game changer. OneNote has evolved, and with the 2025 updates, inserting PDFs is even smoother and more integrated. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Microsoft OneNote installed on your device. This ensures you get all the new enhancements for better file handling. Open OneNote and select the notebook and specific page where you want to add your PDF. Step 1. Head to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. It's right there in the ribbon, making things intuitive and user-friendly. Step 2. In the Insert tab, look for the Files or Attachments section. Click on Attach File. This is where the magic happens. Step 3. A File Explorer window will pop up. Navigate to the location of your PDF on your computer, select it, and hit Open. OneNote will then prompt you to choose how to insert it, as a file attachment or as a printed page within your notes. Step 4. If you select Insert as Printout, the PDF will appear as images on your page, allowing you to annotate directly. For a simple attachment, just link it for easy access. Once inserted, you can zoom in, highlight, or even search within the PDF if it's converted. Pro tip: for 2025, OneNote's improved integration with Microsoft tools means you can edit PDFs more seamlessly by converting them to editable formats like Word. And there you have it. You're all set. This quick process can save you tons of time and keep your notes organized. If you run into any issues, double-check your OneNote settings or update your app. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more productivity tips. See you in the next video.